All right, so first things first, if I have something like 2x to the fourth, okay, this whole thing right here is called a power, okay? This guy right here is called an exponent. This guy right here is called a base. The base gets raised to the exponent. And this guy right here is called a, and I didn't leave myself enough room, coefficient. The number attached to an exponent and a base, okay? These are going to be really important for our properties of exponents that we're going to be we're going to be learning, okay? So the first one that we're going to learn is the zero rule. And this one's my favorite. It's the easiest, okay? Whenever any base is raised to the zero, it equals 1. So x to the 0 is 1. If I have 14 to the 0, what's that going to equal?
1.
1. If I have the integral from 0 to 4 of x squared dx to the 0, what's that going to equal?
1.
1. Doesn't even matter what's on the inside. It's raised to the 0.
Oh, hi, Kayla.
Okay. The only exception, my friends, would be 0 to the 0 does not equal 1. This guy right here is undefined. Any other number raised to the 0 equals 1 except for 0 to the 0. Okay? Any questions on the zero rule? It's pretty straightforward, I'd like to think.
Miss, did you not? Did anybody see the flashing purple light from Mrs. phone?
That's because it's looking for your face.
No, stop.
That's how it happens.
That's
Look.
scary.
See it?
Look, you see it? But
Yeah,
it only shows up. But
yeah, it only shows up on camera.
Yeah, because guess what? The government's watching always.
Okay. Anyway, number 2. Rule number 2 is going to be our power to power. Okay, and this happens when you have a base raised to an exponent, which is raised to another exponent. So you're raising an exponent to another exponent. What you do here is you multiply the exponents. So x to the 2 times 3, which is x to the 6th, exactly. Raising powers to another exponent, you multiply the exponents. So if I have x to the 4th squared, what's that going to equal?
8.
X to the 8th.
Good. If I have 2 to the 4th to the 0, what's that going to be?
0.
No.
It's not?
Well, it'll be 2 to the 0.
Well,
Which
yeah.
we can simplify. What's 2 to the
1.
0? 1. Okay, so see how both of them came into play there? Multiplying the exponents, we get 0, which simplified to 1. Okay, I'm going to go through one more slightly trickier example of powers to powers. Okay, and that's all we're talking about this week is powers to powers and zero rule. I did not give you practice this week because I was going to wait till today to see if anybody showed up. So next week we'll be practicing this and one more rule. So if I have 3x squared y to the 3rd to the 4th. Okay, this one's tricky. That's why I'm giving it to you. The first thing we have to remember is that 3 has an exponent too. What's the exponent on 3 that's invisible? We just don't write it.
1.
Good, 3 to the 1st. So if there's ever anything that doesn't have an exponent, you just put a 1. Okay, so now we're going to raise each of these powers, because we have 3 powers here, to the exponent. We're going to do it by that power to power rule where we multiply. So we get 3 to the 1 and 4.
4th.
X to the
8th.
8th when we multiply, and y to the
12th.
Good. The only thing we can do is simplify 3 to the 4th. 3 to the 4th is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. In your calculators, that's 81.
Ooh.
Okay. Any questions on powers to powers or the zero rule?
Remember the
We're okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on one second.
Reminiscing by your side, reminiscing by your side.
Okay. So with that, the only grade you have to do this week, the only graded assignment is your weekly exit ticket. Okay. Does everybody remember where your weekly exit ticket is?
Where it says weekly exit ticket on
It
our
does
homepage.
say
in our
weekly
classroom.
exit ticket. You got it. Okay. Hold on one second. Okay. So that's it. You guys can hang out and work on it and chit chat. You guys can work on it on your own. Whatever you want to do.
I don't know
Okay.
what the T thing means, but I put it there.
Okay. I think it means you need a break. That's what it means. Amira's clapping. Ooh.
Miss, what week is this?
Excuse me, 522.
Ms. Whitehill, are we doing online school to the rest of the school year?
Yes.
I'm not doing it.
Yes, you are.
No,
Wanna know
listen,
why?
because
Wait,
other people, Miss, because other people are out of school.
wait, pause. When does school
That's
end?
because they're in the southern part of
June
the
9th.
country.
Yes.
No, I'm talking about other people in Connecticut, Amaya.
That's not true.
Um,
They're lying to you.
No, it's true, miss.
No, it's not. Everybody's in school right now, my dears.
No, miss.
Okay. I don't think my brother's in school right now because he just asked me if I was in class.
What grade your brother in?
I don't know. 7th. Amber, what grade's Adia?
Amira.
He's in the same grade as Kaylin.
So obviously 7th, Amira.
I forgot. I thought he was in the 8th.
You guys kill me.
Miss, what is it called? What we
Amira.
did.
Amirash, what, Juliana?
What is it called? Like the thing that we just did.
We went over the zero rule and the powers to powers rule.
Powers the power. That's
What's my first name? Amira. My brother's on the phone with his girlfriend.
Yeah.
My brother has a girlfriend.
Miss, have you ever got the cops called?
You know what I forgot to